Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Free Beat, and hope everybody's having a good Monday. I came into the studio a little late today. I spent all last weekend at a wedding and then birthday party, and I was helping set up the wedding the day before, so I had really not a lot of time to think about what I wanted to make today. So yeah, I kind of figured we'd just jam on the Office and maybe on like the fourth percussion track of the OPZ, which is just like I think they call it samples. Just a bunch of really random fun stuff on there. But yeah, I figured we'd have some fun and just see what we can come up with. So let's lay down some percussion. I really like that as a snare drum. Find a good bass drum. That's pretty good. So let's do that. So we'll go. And we'll tune it down all the way. I feel most of my patterns on this sound the same, but just for jamming, like that's just a solid one. You can't go wrong with that basic pattern. And we're going to use number 8 for the snare drum. There we go, that's pretty good. Maybe an effect? Maybe no effect yet, I don't know. That's pretty cool though. I like that. And let's start jamming here. Now let's set our tempo. I think we're at 140. When you're in a sample patch, you can actually tune. When you're in a percussion track, you can tune that sample. So we're gonna go. Wait a minute, I'm lost. There we go. And then for this one, let's try it. There we go, and since we've got the Office keeping time for us, we can turn off the metronome. Let's hit the play button at the same time. If you have the OP Lab module, which goes in the back here, and would come out these ports here, you can sync it to a pocket operator, but I can't afford that, so we're just going to press play at the same time on both of these and deal with it. That's pretty cool. Let's find another sample to put in there. like a semi-horn. That's pretty cool. Let's keep going. let's go to the performance track. Digging this. This is cool. Change samples again. So the way the fourth bank works here, the sample bank on the OPZ, is they're all individual sounds, just like on the drums or the cymbals or anything like that. So when you change what bank you're on, everything changes, like every sound changes, and it can create some pretty drastic differences in your patterns, as you guys heard there. Let's start this one again and play some more. Whoa! So, yeah, you can do some really cool stuff just sitting down and coming up with, you know, whatever you want, basically. Those are all the stock sample. I don't know what the actual name for the fourth bank is there, but it's in the percussion bank. It's, let's see if this will focus better. There we go. It's just this one right here. So it's right next to the cymbals. But, yeah, I love it. I've never really played around in it, but that was super fun. It's just a... oh, this is the Cuckoo Patch, I think, because he has some stock sounds on here that he came up with. Yeah, that's definitely him. But, there's just so much... Oh, one more. there's just a lot of wacky sounds, and it kind of reminds me of a lot of the sounds on The Office. Like, you don't really know exactly what you're going to get and what you're going to be able to turn those into. We didn't really mess with any of the effects or anything like that, because of course you can still send all of this stuff, you know, to the effects. I feel like that's like the intro to like a metal song or something. That's pretty sick. I like that one with the delay. But yeah, you can still do all the normal things in this patch. You can, you know, tune, detune, filter it, and all that. In fact, let's just play with the filter a little bit on one of these. I don't want the video to run too long, but having too much fun. There we go. Well, that wound up being a pretty fun time, actually. Yeah, just some more of the amazing things that this little guy can do. I love this thing. Endless entertainment and so much creative potential, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this little jam. If you did, you can leave a like on the video. If not, you can click dislike. That's all right, too. Either way, please click that subscribe button, turn on the bell, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. You guys know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.